A very pleasant morning to you all. I hope you have read the chapter till where it was taught to you. As far we have read about an orphan little boy named Richard Whittington. He went to London to try his fortune. He was marked by Mr. Fitzwarren, a merchant who takes Whittington into his home, feeds him, and gives him employment as the cook's assistant. He loved his job, but he faced a big problem of rats. So he decided to get a cat. He even loves to daydream. He fantasized himself as a champion, but all his dreams comes to an end as he heard the sound or the shout of the cook. He also believes that one day his all dreams will come true. Now we will start from where we left yesterday. So open page number 64. Let's begin. After some days, Mr. Fitzwarren's ship was ready to sail, and he called for his servants. It was the custom that everybody gave something they owned or made to be sold to foreign lands. The captain would return with the money for it. So, what happened next? After a few days, Mr. Fitzwarren is making a venture overseas. He asks everyone in his household to put something forward to send away to sea and make their fortune. Poor Whittington had nothing but the cat. He gave his cat to the captain. But what happened? Poor Whittington has nothing except his cat. So he reluctantly parts with that and gives it to the captain of the ship. The ship sailed along. Soon the sailors were facing a menace. The ship was full of rats. They nibbled the food and tore the clothes. The sailors were irritated. The captain set Whittington's cat out of its room, hoping that it would kill a few rats. But Whittington's cat killed all the rats. The captain and the soldiers were very happy. After a long journey, the ship reached the coast of Barbary. So the ship sailed, and soon what happened? The sailors started facing the menace, means a person or thing that is likely to cause harm, a threat or danger, you may say. Okay. So what was that? Let's see. What was that? The ship was full of rats. Dick Whittington's cat has proved herself resourceful on the ship's voyage, killing all the rats on the board. The captain and the soldiers were very happy. After a long journey, the ship finally reached the coast of Barbary. The captain sent patterns of the best things that he had to the king of the country. Soon the king invited the captain to his palace for dinner. Just as they were about to sit down to dinner, a large number of mice rushed in and started nibbling the meat. So, here in this para, what happened? The captain was dining with the king and queen of that kingdom. He discovers that they are overrun with rodents. That is, what he observes is that they too are facing a big problem of rats. The captain was shocked and asked, "How do you tolerate these pests?" Pests means a destructive insect or other animal that attacks crops, food, livestock, etc. Example, mosquitoes, rodents, etc. So the captain was shocked after looking all that, and he asked, "How do you tolerate these pests?" "We are helpless," the king said. "I have offered a huge reward to anyone who will help us get rid of them, but nobody has been able to do anything." So, king said, "We are helpless. Even I put a huge reward in return of getting rid of rats, but nothing works." Now come to page number 65. The captain remembered Whittington's cat and said, "Do not worry, Your Majesty, I have the perfect solution for your problem." Then captain thought of Whittington's cat and said, "Don't you worry, I have the perfect solution for your problem." The king said sadly, "You do not understand. These pests are in thousands. We have tried everything." Listening to this, the king said, "You are not understanding our critical situation. You are not understanding our problem, which we are going through. These rodents are in large number. They are in huge quantity, and we have tried everything, each and every possible manner or each and every possible way we tried to overcome this problem. So, this is it for today. I hope you understood this chapter till where I taught you. Read it again, search and write difficult words with their meanings in RB. Bye class, have a nice day.